Hey students, let's go over the Cobra-Kai High-Five. Find the domain values of the function for the given range value. So this is a straight up, oh, whoa, what is going on here? Oh, wow. Look at this. We have the, I thought this was going to be an easy one. Find the domain. We got to find the x values, wow, of the function for the given range. Oh, so these are the answers. Oh my goodness. Wow, so we got to do this. Watch this. We got to do negative 7x minus 16 equals 47. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's crazy. And we got to do that 3 other times. Well, let's just do it one time, and then maybe we can find a shortcut. Okay, here we go. So, negative 7x minus 16 equals 47. We're trying to find the x value. All right, here we go. So this is just some algebra here, friends. I'm going to add 16 to both sides. Make a note of that. Add 16 to both sides. And then my next move, I'm going to have a negative 7x, and that's going to equal, here we go, 47. Was it plus 16? I forgot already. Plus 16 equals 63. Divide both sides by negative 7. Negative 9. Okay, cool. So my first x value should be a negative 9. Now, if you want, I'll show you a way to check your answers here in a second. All right. So basically, you got to do the same thing 3 times in a row. Well, instead of having to do the problem over and over and over again, here's what I'm going to do. What was my first step? My first step was add 16 to both sides, and then my second step was divide everything by a negative 7. So watch how I'm going to completely life hack this question. I'm going to add 16 to you. I'm going to add a 16 to you. I'm going to add a 16 to you. And then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to divide you by a negative 7. I'm going to divide you by a negative 7. I'm going to divide you by a negative 7. There you go. Look at that. I would do the same thing anyway if I did it by hand. You just you rinse and repeat. You'd go negative 7x minus 17 equals 19. 1 step, 2 step. You would do negative 7x minus 16 equals negative 2. 1 step, 2 step. So I'm just kind of doing the steps without having to write it out. So I'm not being lazy. I'm just being efficient with my time and my energy. So here we go. Make sure, as you can see there, I added the extra brackets. Make sure you do the same thing. All right, so make sure you do 19 plus the 16 and then divide by the negative 7. So make sure you do that. Oop, negative 5. All right, cool. Okay. If you want, you can make 4 two-step equations, or you can figure out the same steps and then just apply the same steps. So be efficient, students, with your time and energy. There's only so much you can give. Here we go. Negative 2. All right, next move, what do we got here? Bracket, negative 44 plus a 16, close the bracket, divided by negative 7. Taking my time, calculating it carefully. All right, there we go. We got the domains. All right, so here's how I'm going to check my answers, students. I'm going to use my calculator skills to check my answers. Let's go back to the function button. I have a prior function in there. Go away. Let's type in the original function. The original function was negative 7x minus 16. Negative 7x minus 16. Okay, let's go to the table. Go away. I don't need these anymore. Go away, go away, go away, go away. Let's put in my 4 answers and then see if they match up to the table. Oh man, I'm nervous. I hope it works out. Negative 9, negative 5, negative 2, negative 4. Oh, nice. 47, 19, negative 2, negative 44. I think I did it the correctly. All right. So what? Here's my hack on this one. Here's what I would do. I would solve for 1, highlight your steps. My steps were adding 16, divided by negative 7. So then I just applied those steps to my next 3 function values, my range values, domain range. So I applied those steps to my next 3 range values, because you would do it anyway. You do the same. You're solving the same 2-step equation just with a different number over here. So just apply the steps and then you win. All right, that was the Cobra-Kai High-Five.